Hi everyone, it's Miss Parkinson. Hope you guys are having an amazing summer break. One thing that is happening around this time of the year is that any fruits or vegetables or herbs that were planted in a garden are absolutely exploding this time of year. There's so many things that are ready to be harvested and enjoyed. So I've been going up to Edison quite a bit to harvest some of the veggies and herbs and fruits that we have growing in our garden, and I've been donating them to the Niles Food Bank. But I did want to take some things home so I could show you guys some recipes, some very easy things that you can make with some of the fresh produce that is grown in a garden. So today we are going to use some of this. Do you know what this is? This is mint, and it smells amazing, and it's super easy to grow. In fact, if you get a mint plant that starts out maybe this big, and within a few weeks, it will grow and grow and grow. So mint grows like a weed. It is super easy to grow, and it's really hard to kill, which is great. And it's delicious in so many recipes. So today, I'm gonna make what I like to call a watermelon mint refresher. So you can make this with a lot of different types of fruit, but I'm gonna use watermelon because there's so much watermelon this time of year at the grocery store. And I love watermelon, it's super delicious. So I'm gonna show you how to make this. So what we need is just a little bit of mint. I just cut like one little sprig of mint from the garden. I'm gonna rinse it off. And now that I've rinsed it, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a glass. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna muddle the mint. So to muddle means like to mash up or to like kind of grind up a little bit. And you might have at your house a tool called a muddler that looks like this. If you don't have a muddler though, you can easily just use like a wooden spoon or something like that. Just something that you can use to kind of smush and grind the mint a little bit. And what that does is it kind of, as it sort of mashes it a little bit, it kind of releases the oils and the juices that are in the mint leaves that give it that really strong minty smell and flavor. So I'm going to use the muddler and basically just going to kind of push down and twist. And this is a great workout too. Work those arm muscles. Just a few times. You don't have to get it totally mashed up, just a little bit. So as you can see, it's kind of gotten like mashed down a little bit. And right now, it is so strong. The smell is amazing. Okay, so that's the mint part. Now I'm gonna put in, I've got some diced watermelon here. I'm just gonna put in a couple of pieces. I'll put in 3 little cubes of watermelon, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna muddle that. So I'm gonna go ahead and smush that up. Watermelon is really easy to use for this because it is so packed with water, so it's easy to smash like this. But you could try other fruits too, like pineapple or mango, whatever you think would be good, whatever you like. All right, so again, you don't need to get it completely liquefied, but I just kind of want it to be mashed up a little bit, a little chunky. And now we're gonna add ice to the glass. Okay, so I've got ice in my glass now. I'm gonna add some limeade, and this is just limeade that I bought from the grocery store. If you don't have limeade, you can definitely also, you could use lemonade, you could use a little bit of some type of juice that you like, or you could use juice from a lime. But I really like the limeade. So I'm gonna do about half a cup. So I've got my measuring cup here. It's kind of hard to see, but right there, that line is 1/2 of a cup. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill that up. Okay, that's about half a cup. Pour it in. And now The rest of it I'm gonna fill with water, or if you wanna get really fancy and you want it to have a little bit of a fizziness to it, you can use sparkling water, like this LaCroix. I'm actually gonna use that, but if you don't have that, you can totally just use regular water and it will still taste delicious. I'm just gonna fill it up, and then let's grab a spoon and give it a little bit of a stir. Kind of get all those flavors mixed together. And now you get to taste it. Oh my gosh, that's so good. It's so refreshing for hot days in the summer. So this is super easy. Remember, we used mint in this that you can pick from a garden. We've got a lot of it growing at Edison. And then watermelon too. Some of you might have watermelon growing at home, or you can get it from the grocery store. So this is just one way that you can use garden grown produce, and I hope that this gave you an idea of ways that you can use things grown in the garden to enjoy food or drinks. All right, I hope you guys have a great rest of your summer, and I'll see you soon.